Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to export your own replays in Uso. To do so, make sure that you are logged in Uso. If not, if after you click on this icon and go to play and then solo, you will not even be able to see this list over here, or even after clicking on local ranking, you will not even be able to see your own ranking. Now, after you're logged into the game, by just clicking in, for example, let's sign out, so show you how. Click on also, and then username, tap your username, and then tap here your password. If you don't have accounts, make sure to create it by clicking on this icon here, and then click on sign in. Now, after you create your account for the first time, you can export others to replays. Since it is your account, your new account, you will not have any replays registered to it. So you have to play your own map and win it and get your own rating. And after doing so, we will have here local rankings. You will have here your own record. Now let's use this tutorial on global ranking because I don't have any records. So for example, let's choose this one. Let's click on him, and then after doing so, click on replay. And now as you can see, here is the replay. You can watch it, and of course you can record it using like OBS or Camtasia Studio or any kind of other programs. Of course, you can't really export this replay from Uso directly because it's not like a program like Photoshop or something else. It's a game, and you can't really export from it. But you can go to your replay again and rewatch it, and from that replay you can record it and save it in your PC. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.